In this video, I'll show you how to install blind spot mirrors on your car. All you need is some blind spot mirrors, some cleaning agent, and a cloth of some sort. So why would you want to install blind spot mirrors anyway? Well, let's say you want to reverse and you have a look in your rearview mirror, and everything looks all good, right? But this whole time, we've had this piece of wood here, and I couldn't see that because my mirrors were too small and they're too high. To prove it's still there, but who's going to lean over that much when they're trying to drive? You can't. Even out the driver's side mirror is too small. Now what if this was a curb and you were about to scratch up your fancy rims? I certainly don't want to scratch up my mint rims. So to install them, we're going to have to start cleaning our mirrors. Make sure they're nice and clean. You don't want any debris or dirt on there. Now we do the same for the other mirror. Now it's time to put them on. Now when it comes to positioning them, you want them on the outside lower corner. So we'd put them here. When you're looking in your mirror, you're not really worried about what's up in the sky. You more want to see what's down there. If you have them too close to the car, all you'll see is most of the car in the little mirror. So that's why we want to have them on the outside to get as much angle out of them as we can. Now installing these things are so easy. Most of them come with some sort of adhesive on the back. So all you do is peel it off. And now we stick it on. Give it a bit of a push. There we go. The camera doesn't pick it up too well, but I can see much better now that I have that little mirror. Now if I'm on the highway or something and I'm trying to look over my shoulder and I can't see, I can always just use these little mirrors to see what's next to me. It'll also make it much easier to see parking lines when I'm trying to park somewhere. For only $5 off eBay, I'd highly recommend getting these on your car. They're cheap, easy to install, and I'd highly recommend them. Good value for money. Who knows, maybe some $5 blind spot mirrors will save you a lot of money down the track. Thanks for watching my simple tutorial. Maybe like and subscribe.